Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and let's get straight into what this video is about. So this right here is the 12-hour Ethereum chart, and technically speaking, we have not confirmed a bullish reversal in terms of the short-term bullish and bearish trend. So right now, technically, we are still within this short-term bearish trend. But with that being said, as I've mentioned over the past couple of days, the 12-hour Ethereum MACD is approaching another bullish cross, but we have not confirmed that bullish cross just yet. And basically, once we start seeing some of these indicators flip bullish again, so I'm talking about the RSI, for example, entering into a bullish reversal, the MACD seeing a bullish cross, and the parabolic stop reverse indicator flipping back into the green. Those are some of the bullish signals that I'll be looking out for on the chart to help predict a bullish reversal. But once again, we are not seeing those signals at the moment, but we're getting closer to them. And on this 12-hour time frame, I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement tool from this March low up to the local high, and that places the golden pocket at around 2.8k as a major level of support. And we do have this short-term level of support at the 50% level, coming in at around 2,950. And over here on the daily Ethereum chart, I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement tool from the January low up to the local high, and that puts the second most important Fibonacci level, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level, right around here at that 2,950 price level. And then the 50% retracement on this chart is coming in at around 2.8k, and the golden pocket, the most important Fibonacci level, is coming in at around 2.6k approximately. And also keep in mind the current trend in the RSI and the MACD on the daily time frame are still technically in a bearish trend at the moment. And unlike the 12-hour time frame where the RSI is closer towards oversold territories and the MACD is closer towards a bullish cross, these same indicators on the daily time frame are a little further away from flipping bullish again, so keep that in mind. And over here on the 6-hour Ethereum chart, I've just spotted a brand new Ethereum fractal. You can see for yourself that this price action over the past 2 weeks has been playing out very similar to this price action that we saw at the very beginning of this year, but just at a smaller scale. First of all, at the end of December last year, we actually saw a bit of a dip here and then a pump leading into a fairly fast drop off in the price of Ethereum. And we've seen exactly that happen at the local top. Basically a short-term dip, one more pump, and then a pretty sharp drop off in the price of Ethereum. And then what came next back at the end of last year, leading into the beginning of this year, was a bit of a sideways consolidation, but trending slightly to the upside. And we saw pretty much the exact same thing from the 7th to the 10th of April this year. And then back in January, we had another drop followed by a slight bounce in the price of Ethereum. And that is pretty much where the price of Ethereum is sitting at right now, according to this fractal. In fact, if I copy the Ethereum price action that we saw at the beginning of this year and overlay it on top of the current Ethereum price action, but of course have the size reduced to fit the current scale, you can simply see for yourself that pretty much every Ethereum price movement over the past couple of weeks has been extremely similar to what we saw at the beginning of this year. And now it is important to mention that just because something played out in the past, it does not guarantee we're going to see the exact same thing again, so keep that in mind. But if the price of Ethereum does continue to play out this fractal like what we saw last time, or even if we see something similar and it might not be the exact same, we could be due for another dip to the downside. And according to this fractal, we should find some major support at around 2.6k to 2.7k, which is very interesting because that falls in line with the golden pocket on the daily time frame coming into play at around 2.6k. And also when you zoom out to the 3-day Ethereum chart, we have this massive ascending line of support coming into play at around 2.6k. So that is definitely an important level of support to pay attention to moving forward, because if the price of Ethereum starts breaking below around 2.6k, 2.5k, then this larger price structure, talking about the higher lows on the 3-day time frame, would finally be beginning to flip into more of a bearish direction on the larger time frames if we see a confirmed break below around 2,500, which we have not seen just yet. So as of right now, the shorter term trend on the 12-hour time frame is technically still a bearish trend. We have not confirmed a bullish reversal, and that is only this price movement just here on the 3-day time frame. So you can see why I'm calling this just a shorter term bearish trend, like these previous short-term bearish trends we've seen over the past couple months. But in terms of the larger trend on the 3-day time frame, this still remains a bullish trend while we're above around 2,500. And just giving you a really quick update for Ethereum VS against Bitcoin, this right here is on the daily time frame, and Ethereum is still forming this bearish divergence. And also we've just confirmed another daily candle close, which is adding extra confirmation to that bearish cross in the daily Ethereum MACD on the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. And so nothing much has happened on this chart since yesterday. Basically, we're still looking slightly more bearish in the shorter term for Ethereum versus Bitcoin than we are bullish, according to these bearish signals that we're seeing at the moment. And if you made it this far in the video, you might as well leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, if you are serious about making more money in crypto, whether or not prices are going up or down, then these two videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely for you to watch. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.